Hi students, good morning to all. How are you all? Yes, very good. Do you remember what are the things we have learned last class? Only one topic we have learned last class, that is checking of subtraction by addition. After subtraction, just we are checking our answers. That time we have got that's minuend plus what is called minuend. So minuend means bigger number. Smaller number is subtrahend. Subtrahend plus difference is equal to minuend. Subtrahend plus difference is equal to minuend. Subtrahend plus difference is equal to minuend, or minuend minus subtrahend is equal to minuend minus subtrahend is equal to difference. Okay. Bigger number minus smaller number is equal to difference, and smaller number plus smaller number plus difference is equal to minuend. In addition, smaller number plus difference is equal to minuend, and in subtraction, bigger number minus smaller number is equal to difference. Then there is one important thing. In addition, we can change what is called the two numbers which we added. We can change the order of the numbers. In addition, we can change the order of the addends. But in subtraction, this order is very important. We cannot change that order. We cannot. Always we have to write bigger number up. First, we have to write bigger number. That order we cannot change. Always remember this. Okay. Then, today we are going to learn subtraction from 0. If one number is 0, that is one place is 0, that is okay. We can add. But if the continuously 2-3 numbers, 2-3 places come 0, how we can do the subtraction? Okay, subtracting from 0. Subtracting from 0. Here, 100 minus 9. 100 minus 9. Here, 0 minus 9. It is not possible. So, we should borrow from here 10th place. Here 10th place 0. So we should borrow from here. Okay, so this 10th place we have borrowed 100. First we have to borrow from this place to here. It will come 10. Okay. Then from that 10 we have borrowed that 10 to here. Here it is 10 and here change 9. Here 0 will be there. 10 minus 9, 1. And here 9 minus 0, here nothing is there, so we write there 9. Answer 91. So here two numbers are 0. So first we write 10, then next wherever the 0, that all places you can write a 9. Okay, you remember it is easy, right? First, if it is 1's place, 10's place, 100 place, 0. 1's place you write 10 and next to 10's place and 100 place. If it is 0, 0 they are changed into the next place, thousands place, if it is not 0, they are being reduced by 1. Okay, here. Minus 1275. Okay. 3000 minus 1275. What I said? This 0 cancel, then you will write 10. And next 2 zeros are there. That 2 places you have to cancel or cut or cross. There you can write 9. Here also you can write 9. Okay. The next place, thousands place, there is no 0. There is 3. That 3, cross it and write there 2. Because from this 3000 we have borrowed to here. Okay. Then we do the normal subtraction from this number. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 2, 7. And 2 minus 1, 1. Let us check. How can we check difference plus subtraction? 5 plus 5, 10. Carry over. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 7, 10. Again. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Again 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. We have got the answer. 3000 minus 1275 is equal to 1725. Okay. Next one. Now just let us start exercise 5.4. 5000 minus 2153. Here 3 places, 1 tens and 100 places are 0. So cancel it. Write 10 there. Here what comes? From here we have got. Here it is 9. Again from here we have got to here. Here also 900. From here we have got to here. Here it is 4. Okay. Then 10 minus 3. Can you say 10 minus 3? 4. Start from after 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7. If you learn addition table, it is very easy to do addition and subtraction. 7 plus 3, 10. Again, then 9 minus 10 minus 3, 7. 9 minus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. 9 minus 1, 8. And 4 minus 2, 2. Answer 2847. See, 7 plus 3, 10. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 5, 10. Then 1 is carry over. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Again 1 is carry over. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. We have got 5000. Okay. Next question. 8200 minus 6439. 6439. 0 minus 9 is not possible because 0 is smaller than 9. So here 10 cancel. And here what we should write? Here we should write 9. And here exchange into 1. Okay, 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 3, 6. 1 minus 4. Can you do it? No, we cannot do 1 minus 4. Here 11. Here 11. Here it is 7. 11 minus 7. 11 minus 7. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 minus 7. Sorry, 11 minus 4. Okay, 11 minus 4, 7. Then 7 minus 6, 1. Answer 1761. Here check. Just let us check these answers. Okay, 6439 plus 1761. 9 plus 1, 10. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. Again 1 is carried over. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. 1 is carried over. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8200. Okay, by checking we can understand. Next one. 9001 minus 2397. Minus 2397. First we stand. Do the subtraction in one's place. 1 minus 7 can you do? 1 minus 7? No, because 1 is smaller than 7. So we should borrow from tens place. Here only 0. So we are put here also cut. There also 0. So we should cut here. Here 8. Here 9. Here 9. Here 10. Okay. Then 10 minus 7. 3. 9 minus 9. 0. 9 minus 3. 6. 8 minus 2. 6. Once again, 10 minus 7. 3. 9 minus 9. 0. 9 minus 6. 3. 6. 8 minus 2. 6. Check it. 7 plus 3, 10. Plus 1, carry over 9 plus 1, 10. Again, 1 is carry over. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3, 10. Again 1 is carry over. 7 plus 2, 9. Okay. Next question. 8000 minus 3983. 8000 minus 3983. Here see 3 places are 0. So 1's place goes it right at 10. Next place goes it right 9. Next place goes it 9. And last place goes it and right at 7. 10 minus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 9, 0. 7 minus 3, 4. Check whether there are answers correct. 7 plus 3, 10. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. And 9 plus 1, 10. Again 3 plus 4, 7 plus 1, 8. Answer 4017. Okay, next one 8500 minus 7648. 10 minus 8. Here 10, here 9, here 4. 10 minus 8, 2. 9 minus 4, 5. 4 minus 6, not possible. So from cancel thousands place, cut right here 7, here it is 40. 40 minus 6. After 6, 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many numbers we have got? 8. Or 6 plus 8, 14. 8 and 7 minus 7, 0. Answer 852. Check it. 8 plus 2, 10. 1 is carry over. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Again 1 is carry over. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. Again 1 is carry over. 1 plus 7, 8. Next one. 0. 0 minus 5, not possible. So here 10, here 3. 10 minus 5, 5. And 3 minus 8. Can you write? No. So this here become 13 and here we cut it and write 6. 13 minus 8, 5. 6 minus 2, 4. 0. 5 plus 5, 10. 8 plus 5, 13 plus 1, 14. Again 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 4,550. Okay. Now I think all have understood this topic. Have you understood? Yes. Now let us conclude this topic and I shall upload the homework exercise 5.4 that you have to do in your book itself. No need to do in your copy. Okay. Then do you remember? Just let us revise the topic what we have learned. First we have learned that subtraction means taking away. We have to subtract smaller number from bigger number. Smaller number is called a subtrahend. Bigger number is called a minuend. The answer is difference. Okay. The symbol of subtraction is minus. We have to remember that we cannot change the order of the numbers. That means we cannot write subtrahend first or minuend second. We cannot change it. First, always we have to write a minuend. That is very important. Okay. And also we have learned addition. Checking by addition. Checking or subtraction by addition. And today we have learned how can we do the subtraction from 0. If more zeros are there in numbers, how can we do the subtraction? Next we are going to learn properties of subtraction. But we are going to learn properties of subtraction. First property is subtracting 0. First property is subtracting 0. If we subtract 0 from a number, we get the number itself. First property, what is the first property of subtraction? Subtracting 0. Okay, subtracting 0. If we subtract 0 from a number, we get the number itself. Whatever the number. If that minuend is whatever, maybe no problem. But if subtrahend is 0, the difference is always minuend. Okay, minuend minus 0 is equal to minuend. That is the way. Yeah, 8,125 minus 0 is equal to 8,125. 6,020 minus 0 is equal to 6,020. 10 minus 0 is equal to 10. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Okay. Whenever we subtract 0 from a number, we always get the number itself. Next one, subtracting 1. Next one, subtracting 1. If we subtract 1 from a number, we get the predecessor of the minuend. If we subtract 1 from a number, we always get the predecessor of the given number or predecessor of the minuend. What is called predecessor? Predecessor means just before number. What is called predecessor? Just before number. When we subtract 1 from a number, we always get the next just before number. We always get the just before number or predecessor of the number. 10 minus 1, 9. Just before 9 or predecessor of 10 is 9. 100 minus 1, can you say just before 100? 99. Or 6,215 minus 1, 6,240. No need to do the subtraction here. Directly you can write just before number. Okay. Next one, subtracting the number from itself. Subtracting number from itself. When we subtract a number from itself. Subtracting number from itself. Whenever we subtract a number from itself, we always get 0. Okay. Suppose 10 minus 1. I subtract 10 from 10. The number itself from number is equal to 0. 25 minus 25 is equal to 0. 810 minus 810 is equal to 0. That is the third property. Whenever we subtract the number from itself, we always get 0. Okay, first property, subtracting 0. When we subtract 0 from a number, we always get the number itself. Subtracting 1, when we subtract 1 from a number, we get the predecessor of the given number. Then subtracting by itself. When we subtract the number itself, we always get 0. Next one, order of numbers. I have already told you that we cannot change the order of the numbers. Okay, always we write smaller number down and bigger number up. Or first we write bigger number, or first we write minuend, then we write a subtrahend. What is the order of the subtraction? Minuend minus subtrahend is equal to difference. What is the order? Minuend minus subtrahend is equal to difference. Or bigger number minus smaller number is equal to difference. That is the order that we cannot change. That is one of the property of subtraction. Then subtracting 10, 100 and 1000. Subtracting 10, 100 and 1000. As we have already learned in subtraction, addition by 10, 100 and 1000. That time addition by 10, only 10's place increased by 1. Addition by 100, only 100 place increased by 1. Remaining all places are equal. Addition by 1000, only 1000's place increased by 1. Here 8,256. Addition by 10, we have got here 8,266. Only this number changed. Addition by 1000, 100, 8,256. Addition by 1000, 3 changed. 8,356. Addition by 1000, 8,256. 9,256. Other all numbers are changed. Okay. The same way in subtraction also. And subtracting by 10. Subtracting by 10. If we subtract 10, we subtract 1 from 10's place. 10's place will decrease by, not increased, decreased by 1. And subtracting by 100, 10's place will decrease by 100 place will decrease by 1. Subtracting by 1000, only 1000's place will decrease by 1. Here I will show you how to do. 6,259. Okay, 6,259. Here, subtraction by 10, subtraction by 100, and subtraction by 1000. Just for understanding and write here. 6,250 subtraction by 10. Tens place decreased by 1. That means 5 changed into 4. Only 1 deduct from tens place. Remaining all places are same. Here 6,249. 6,249. Here this 4. Okay. Next subtraction by 100. 100 place decrease. That 2 changed into 1. 6,100. Don't write 49, 59. 6,159. Since only 100 place will change. Remaining all place of E. Same. Then subtraction by 1,000. 1,000 place will change. That 5 change into 4, 6 change into 5. 5,250. Okay. Do you clear? Yes. Once again. 8,262. Subtraction by 100 tens. Tens place will decrease. 8,252. Okay. Then subtraction by 100. 100 place will decrease. 8,162. Subtraction by 1,000. 1,000 place will decrease. 7,262. Okay. Next one. 4,186. 4,186. Subtraction by tens. This number will change. 4,176. Subtraction by 100. 100 place will decrease. There will change into 0. 1 minus 1 0. 4,086. Here. Subtraction by 1,000. 1,000's place will decrease. 3,186. Okay. Subtraction by, when we subtracted, we subtract 1 from tens place. Subtracting by 100. When we subtract 100 from any number, we deduct 1 from 100 place. When we subtract 1,000 from any number, we always deduct only the 1 from 1,000's place. Other all numbers will be remain same. Okay. I hope all have cleared this portion once again. Properties of subtraction. Subtracting 0. When we subtract 0 from any number, we always get the number itself. Then subtracting by 1. When we subtract 1 from any number, we get predecessor of the given number. Then subtracting a number from itself. When we subtract the number from itself, we get 0. The order of the numbers, that is very important. In subtraction, we cannot change order. That means minus we have to write in first, and subtraction we always write in second. And after subtraction, we get difference. Okay. Then subtraction by 10, 100 and 0. When we subtract, only tens place will deduct by 1, and remaining all places will be same. And when we subtract 100 from a number, we deduct only hundreds place. Other all places will be remain same. Then subtraction by 1,000. Only 1,000's place will decrease by 1. Okay. Now let us wind up our classes. Today's class, let us wind up, and we can come with our new topic and portions on next class. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.